In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data in Odoo ERP. First, let's start by logging into your Odoo account, a critical step to ensure that you have access to all the features you need. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific module where you intend to import your data. This could be contacts, products, customers, or any other module that pertains to the data you want to add. Make sure you open the right module, as this will ensure the data is imported into the correct area of your Odoo system. Now, once you're inside your chosen module, it's best to switch to the list view. This view provides a clear, concise layout that will make the process more manageable and helps avoid any confusion when working with large data sets. If you're not already in this view, go ahead and make the switch before proceeding to the next step. Next, look towards the top of your screen for either the Favorites option or the Actions menu, which may appear as a gear icon, depending on the version of Odoo you're using. Click on it, and in the drop-down menu that appears, you should see an option labeled Import Records. This feature is specifically designed to help streamline the process of bringing in data from external sources. When you click on Import Records, you'll be prompted to upload the file containing your data. This file should be either in CSV or Excel format, XLSX, as these are the file types supported by Odoo for data import. Click on Upload File and then select the file you'd like to import from your computer. Make sure that your file is prepared correctly and contains the data you want to import. It's always a good idea to double check this before you upload, just to avoid any unnecessary errors later on. After uploading your file, you'll see a screen displaying various columns from your file. This is where you'll need to review the column mapping. This step involves matching each column of your source file with the correct Odoo field. Doing this accurately is crucial, as any mismatched field can lead to incorrect data being imported, which can cause issues down the line. Once you've ensured that each column aligns correctly with an Odoo field, look for the option to test, if it's available in your version of Odoo. Clicking Test allows you to check for any errors before finalizing the import. This step can save you a lot of time and headache by catching potential issues up front, ensuring that your data imports smoothly without any hitches. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently import data into your Odoo ERP system, helping you keep your records up to date and organized. Feel free to pause the video at any step if you need more time to follow along. Thank you for watching, and happy importing!